Okay, this is the after. Thanks for all the help. Oops, you see the molding work that's not finished. It's finished over here. Right over here. And finished underneath these cabinets. It has to be painted to match the cabinets. Sir, what is all that? Well, I should be the one crying. Hi. What's wrong, boo? Jacob, cut. 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 Gaga. What else? You showing your teeth? Snaggletooth? Let me see. You showing Grandma your teeth? Stay still. That's a fake cry. That's a fake cry. Where you going? Did you clean that up? Hey Jacob, thanks for the help. Thank you. Thank you, boo. Say bye-bye. Jacob, wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to give Mommy... Oh, my goodness. Hey, Jacob, give Mommy 5. Give Mommy 5? No, that's not giving Mommy 5. Give Mommy 5. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.